I understand this video is going to be controversial. I know this isn't the case for everyone. I absolutely promote safety first and to seek doctor's advice. I'm showing you the reality of Chris's life now after prolonged heightened awareness, sleep deprivation and stress. Chris suffers from epilepsy, arthritis, PTSD and non-epileptic attack disorder known as NEAD, N-E-A-D. A physiological condition brought on by PTSD. It's very rare for someone to suffer from both NEAD and epilepsy. What I found fascinating is that Chris has chosen to work with his illness and is taking steps to gain control over his physical and mental state by understanding his inner state. Set your mind, as Wim Hof says, tap into your deepest part of your brain at will. The cold brings you back to the moment. It's a pure feeling. This changes your emotional state to accept, believe, surrender, and begins to reprogram your autonomic nervous system. By setting a sense of control, suddenly the blockages created by wrong chemistry or trauma is rebalanced. Different mechanisms start to work. The cold is one way to deal with stress and trust in the present moment. Your will is becoming stronger than your program conditioned mind. The side effect of this, I know, is joy and gratitude.